What if the real reason your vision is fading has nothing to do with age? You're not alone. Nearly 1 in 3 seniors over 65 suffers from some form of vision loss. And by 2050, cases of age-related eye diseases like macular degeneration and glaucoma are expected to double worldwide. But what if the answer isn't stronger glasses, expensive supplements, or risky surgery? What if the solution is hiding in plain sight, in something as small and overlooked as seeds? Have you ever been told that certain seeds can protect and even restore your eyesight? Most people haven't. Not your doctor. Not your pharmacist. And certainly not the billion-dollar vision industry. But research is catching up. Clinical studies show that specific seeds can reduce inflammation, improve blood flow to the retina, and even reverse early macular damage. One seed improved macular thickness by 32%. Another reduced eye pressure in glaucoma patients by 24%. They're natural, safe, affordable, and probably already in your kitchen. In this video, we'll reveal the 7 most powerful seeds for senior eye health, ranked by science. So hit like, subscribe, and comment your age and vision status. We'd love to hear from you. Let's begin. 7. Chia seeds. Have you ever felt your vision blur after eating, or struggled to focus in bright light? You might think it's just fatigue, but it could be unstable blood sugar, one of the most silent threats to your eyes. This is where chia seeds step in as a dual defender of vision and vascular health. Chia seeds are tiny, but don't let their size fool you. They're one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA, alpha-linolenic acid. Your body uses ALA to produce DHA, the structural fat in your retina responsible for clear, sharp vision. In fact, DHA makes up nearly 60% of the photoreceptor cells in your eye. Low DHA levels are strongly linked to macular thinning and degeneration, especially in seniors. But that's not all. When soaked in water, chia seeds form a gel-like coating thanks to their soluble fiber. This helps slow down digestion and smooth out blood sugar spikes after meals, preventing the kind of oxidative stress that damages the delicate blood vessels in your retina. Chia seeds are also great for hydration. Dehydrated eyes are more prone to irritation, dryness, and blurred focus. To get the most out of them, soak 1 to 2 tablespoons in water overnight. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or make a simple chia pudding. Use them daily for lasting protection. They won't fix your vision overnight, but with time and consistency, chia seeds can help reinforce your retina, reduce eye strain, and support your focus throughout the day. 6. Sunflower seeds. You've likely had sunflower seeds before, maybe as a crunchy snack at a baseball game or tossed on a salad. But most people eat them roasted, salted, and stripped of their most valuable nutrients. The truth is, raw sunflower seeds are one of the most powerful vision protective foods for seniors, especially when it comes to guarding the macula, the part of your eye that controls central vision. That means reading, recognizing faces, and even driving safely depends on keeping the macula healthy. And the number one enemy of the macula? Oxidative stress. This is where sunflower seeds shine. They're rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect your eye cells from free radical damage. In fact, the Age-Related Eye Disease Study (ARDS) found that high vitamin E intake, combined with other nutrients, could slow the progression of macular degeneration by up to 25% in at-risk adults. But sunflower seeds don't stop there. They also contain selenium, copper, and zinc, 3 trace minerals essential for lens clarity, optic nerve function, and healthy blood vessels in the eye. To get the full benefits, skip the roasted snacks and go for raw, unsalted sunflower seeds. Just one small handful, about an ounce, delivers nearly half your daily vitamin E. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or mix with other seeds in homemade trail mix. You can even make your own sunflower seed butter for an easy spread. It's a small daily habit with big results for aging eyes. 5. Fennel seeds. You've probably seen fennel seeds sitting quietly in a spice jar, maybe used in Indian dishes or as a breath freshener. But what most people don't realize is that fennel seeds are surprisingly powerful for senior eye health, especially when it comes to blood flow and pressure inside the eye. As we age, the tiny blood vessels behind the eyes, called microvessels, can stiffen or narrow. This reduces oxygen and nutrient delivery to the retina, which increases the risk of glaucoma, macular damage, and visual fatigue. Fennel seeds are rich in flavonoids and vitamin C, both of which combat oxidative stress in those microvessels. But their true power lies in a natural compound called anethol, an anti-inflammatory agent shown to improve tear production and reduce dry, irritated eyes. In a 2020 study published in the Journal of Ocular Pharmacology, fennel seed extract significantly lowered intraocular pressure and improved blood flow in subjects showing early signs of glaucoma. Fennel may also ease subtle eye inflammation triggered by high blood sugar, a hidden but major cause of vision problems in seniors. The easiest way to use fennel seeds? Steep 1 teaspoon in hot water to make a soothing tea after meals. You can also chew a pinch raw for added digestion and eye support. It's not about megadosing, consistency matters. A small amount daily can quietly protect your eyes, improve comfort, and reduce long-term strain, especially if you're staring at screens or reading often. 4. Pumpkin seeds. If your eyes often feel dry, blurry in low light, or overly sensitive to brightness, the missing link might be a critical mineral deficiency, specifically zinc. And one of the most underrated natural sources of zinc? Pumpkin seeds. These small, green seeds, also known as pepitas, are nutritional powerhouses for your eyes. Zinc is essential for moving vitamin A from the liver to the retina, where it's used to make melanin, the protective pigment in your eyes. When you're low in zinc, your eyes may struggle to adjust to darkness, process visual information slowly, or suffer oxidative stress in the macula, the center of your retina responsible for sharp vision. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds delivers 7 milligrams of zinc, making them one of the most zinc-rich plant foods available. But that's not all. They also provide vitamin E, lutein, and omega-6 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support healthy retinal tissue. A major clinical study found that combining zinc with lutein slowed the progression of age-related macular degeneration by up to 25% over 5 years. To maximize their benefits, eat pumpkin seeds raw and unsalted. Roasting at high heat can destroy delicate nutrients. Try soaking them overnight and drying them at low temperature, or simply sprinkle them into smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. For better absorption, older adults can also use pumpkin seed butter, a smooth, digestible option packed with eye-supportive nutrition. 3. Black seed. What if one tiny black seed could reduce eye pressure, boost circulation, and protect your retina, all at once? Nigella seeds, also known as black seed or black cumin, have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. But recent studies now confirm their powerful effects on vision, especially in aging eyes. The key lies in a compound called thymoquinone, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It directly targets the optic nerve and retinal tissue, helping prevent the kind of silent, slow damage that leads to vision loss in seniors. In a clinical study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine, black seed oil lowered intraocular pressure, a major glaucoma risk, by 24% in just 6 weeks. That's huge for seniors struggling with early signs of tunnel vision or tension headaches linked to eye strain. Nigella seeds also enhance blood flow to the retina by increasing nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and allows more oxygen and nutrients to reach the eye. Poor circulation is a hidden cause of vision decline, especially in people over 60. You can chew whole nigella seeds, steep them into tea, or take half a teaspoon of cold-pressed black seed oil daily, mixed with honey or warm water. For best results, use consistently and choose high-quality, organic sources. Over time, many seniors report less eye fatigue, clearer vision, and even reduced dry eye symptoms, all from this one remarkable little seed. 2. Fenugreek seeds. If your eyes often feel red, irritated, or your vision becomes noticeably fuzzy in the afternoon, the root cause may not be your eyes at all, it could be your blood sugar. That's where fenugreek seeds come in. These small, golden seeds, used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine, are now gaining scientific recognition for their powerful effect on both metabolic health and vision protection. A 2021 study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that daily use of fenugreek reduced blood sugar levels by up to 30% and significantly lowered oxidative stress in the retina. That's a major win, especially for seniors at risk of diabetic retinopathy or blurry vision due to sugar spikes. But fenugreek does more. It's naturally rich in lutein, the antioxidant that concentrates in the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. Lutein helps absorb harmful blue light and protects against light-induced retinal damage. The best way to take fenugreek? Soak 1 teaspoon of the seeds in water overnight. In the morning, drink the water and chew the softened seeds on an empty stomach. This enhances both blood sugar control and nutrient absorption. You can also grind fenugreek into a powder and add it to soups or sprinkle over warm veggies. If the taste is too strong, a light roast can help, but raw soaked seeds are most potent. 1. Flax seeds. If you could eat one seed to protect your vision for years to come, flax seeds might be the smartest choice you'll ever make. These tiny brown or golden seeds are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fat that your body converts into DHA, the same structural fat that makes up nearly 60% of your retina. Low DHA levels are directly linked to macular degeneration, poor contrast sensitivity, and even retinal thinning. In a major study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors with high ALA intake had a 40% lower risk of developing advanced macular degeneration. But flax seeds offer more than just fat. They're also rich in lignans, antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the blood vessels that feed the eye. These vessels are fragile and easily damaged by high blood pressure, high blood sugar, or chronic stress, all common in aging adults. When these vessels break down, fluid can leak into the retina, causing blurry vision or swelling. Flax seeds help by calming inflammation, strengthening vessel walls, and improving circulation, all crucial for maintaining sharp, clear vision. To unlock their full power, always use ground flax seeds, whole ones passed through undigested. Add 1 tablespoon daily to yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or sprinkle into soups. Don't cook them at high heat, and store them in the fridge to preserve their oils. Over time, consistent use of flax seeds may help you experience sharper focus, less eye strain, and stronger long-term vision, naturally. Want to make these vision-saving seeds part of your daily routine without fuss? Here's how. Start your morning with a bowl of plain Greek yogurt or kefir. Stir in 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, 1 teaspoon of soaked chia seeds, and half a teaspoon of black seed oil. Add 1 teaspoon each of raw sunflower, pumpkin, and fennel seeds, plus 1 teaspoon of soaked fenugreek. Mix well. Add berries if you like it sweeter. This simple breakfast delivers powerful antioxidants, healthy fats, and eye-protective nutrients, all in one bowl. Easy, delicious, and life-changing for your vision. Thanks for watching. Remember, protecting your vision starts with simple daily habits, like adding these powerful seeds to your diet. Consistency is key, and your eyes will thank you over time. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Drop a comment below telling us which seed you'll try first. See you in the next video.